Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Koolertron 11.6 inch 1080p monitor. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe, as we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers. Starting with the unboxing, we are first greeted with the monitor itself on top, and underneath you should find the manual, HDMI cable and stand, although since this is a second-hand unit, the stand and the HDMI cable were not included, probably because the previous owner kept them. Nonetheless, on the right side we find the AC in, aux in, the VGA connection and also the HDMI connection. On the back we have 5 buttons which include the menu, down, up, auto adjust and power on buttons. There are also 4 screw holes for a vase mount on the back. The AC adapter is nothing special and it plugs straight into the AC power in. And plugging in an HDMI cable, you can see that the monitor also has speakers built in. Now these are located at the back and are easily covered if it is put flat on a surface. The colors of the monitor itself are amazing. They have deep contrast and a lot of brightness, and also the viewing angles are very good. You can see here, as a test, I am moving around the monitor itself and there are no color shifts or any weird things of that sort, which is great to see on a budget monitor. It also has a menu that can change the volume, brightness, contrast and everything else you can find on a normal monitor. The speakers do start to distort at high volumes, so you do have to keep that in mind.
There is also an instruction manual which is useful for the different features the speaker offers. Taking a look at the speaker, we can see that the buttons are very tactile, which is great to see on such a budget speaker. The grill is made of...
If you plug in through the VGA cable, the maximum resolution I could get was 1440 by 900. It should support 1080p, but it did not want to get any higher and kept recommending 900p, which was the maximum. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.